see any object in our nature, when the light reflected from any object and when its reflection came to our eyes, then we are able to see any object. So reflection of light has three laws. The laws are as follows. The first law is when the when the light is incident at any point, then it is known as point of incidence, and it get reflected to the same medium, and a line follows a normal, which is an imaginary line, which tells us about the equal angle between the angle of incidence and angle of reflection. And when a light is fall to the normal, it reflected to the same path. In this case, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, which is 0 degree. And this all terms, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, incident ray, reflected ray, normal, are lie on the same plane. Uh, Now this is the reflection of light, which enables us to see any object. And there is one more concept in our this chapter, which is spherical mirror. Sphere, which is a highly polished smooth surface, which can perform a reflection from its surface. It is of two types. First is concave mirror and second is convex mirror. In concave mirror, the outer surface is polished and the reflection takes place in the inner surface. When in the concave, which divides this spherical mirrors in two equal parts, and the point where it cuts the spherical mirror is the pole. This is the principal axis. Pole is denoted by P, and the part, the holosphere of which this spherical mirror is part, that's the center is known as the center of curvature, which is denoted by C. And when any light is parallelly came to this spherical mirror, this reflected from an individual point, which is known as focus. This is known as focus, and the distance between pole and focus is known as focal length, which is denoted by small f. And there is a relation between focus and radius of curvature, which is f is equal to r by 2. This is the case of concave mirror. And in case of convex mirror, the polishing is done in the inner surface and the reflection takes place on the outer surface of the mirror. In this case, this center of curvature and focus. In this case, when the light is coming from the parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, it moves in the same medium, which follows the law of reflection, but it not actually meet. It appears to meet at the point which is focus, where the image is formed in the convex mirror. Concave spherical mirrors